Hi, welcome to APG.Studio channel. My name is Alicia, fitness yoga expert, and as every Wednesday, time for our posture correction session exercise at home, suitable for everyone. Okay, so if you've got hunchbacked, text neck, that's a session for you. How to properly stretch your chest and your shoulders to correct your posture. Okay, you're ready to start right now. So take position on your floor, hands with your shoulders width apart, knees with your hips, and start by rocking your body front and back. Inhale, forward, exhale, moving back. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. Check how is your head position. If you're dropping down, which means muscles in your neck very weak, so try to lift your head higher. The best if you've got your head, neck in line with your spine. And now check how is your upper body. If you're just dropping your torso, you're pushing belly down, or you've got your pelvis slightly tucked under, which this position helps you to support lower back, to keep your lower back in the right alignment. Inhale, slowly exhale. And a few more. Inhale and exhale. Going to sit on your heels. If you need to sit higher, toes tuck under, you can just rock side to side. Okay, now right foot forward. You're going to keep your right hand on your knee, and you're trying to twist and reach up with your left arm. I'll show you in here. So you've got your right foot front of you, so you're twisting, but you're lifting your left arm really high and trying to pull back. Inhale when you stretch, when you twist. Slowly exhale back to center. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Just make sure you're pulling your shoulder and your arm back as long as your position is upright. If you notice you're leaning forward, you're changing alignment on your upper body, that's a compensation, which means we're not stretching your left shoulder and your chest anymore. So you can pull more if you're staying really upright and it's not pulling sensation in your right leg. Okay, so find your own range of movement, work with your body, respect your limitations. For posture correction is very important. You're not forcing for too much because your body is going to compensate and you're not going to use muscles the right way. Inhale and exhale, maybe two more. And last one. Inhale and exhale. Okay, now got left foot front of you and now to your right side. Why are you trying to lift your arm higher? Because that's the way to increase the stretch in your right side, on your right side, shoulder and your chest. And again, if you've got tight muscles in your leg, be careful so you're not compensating by changing position. Staying upright as much as you can. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And two more. And last one. Perfect. Let's go back on your floor. This time place your forearms instead of your hands. And again, rock your body. Look forward, okay? Make sure not pulling your head down or chin towards your chest. We're trying to activate muscles in your neck area, to work the muscles in your upper back. Inhale front, exhale moving back. Inhale and exhale. Maybe two more. Inhale and exhale. Now hold the stretch. If you find, stretch only one arm first. And check if you're able to increase the stretch by pushing your chest down. If it's too much, lift higher. Or you can inhale, lift, exhale, stretch just for 1 second. Inhale, release, lifting higher, and exhale, push down. Inhale, slowly exhale. Again, control your head position. It's very important. If you've got a text neck, you're looking forward, so you've got muscles in your neck area contract. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. Try with all the arms straight. And again, inhale, lift, exhale. Try to go lower as long as you're feeling stretch. Your right side, your arm, chest and shoulder. And again, head position, very important for you. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Perfect. So let's stand up. Legs wider than your shoulders width apart. And now right arm. Inhale when you twist. Slowly exhale back to center. Control the lower part. Try to hold the same with your hips facing forward. Not only good stretch for your shoulder and your chest, but you activate muscles in your core. So you're working with your lower back area as well. Inhale and exhale. Try to activate muscles in your right side. So you're squeezing your shoulder blades, pulling shoulders back. Inhale and exhale. And relax. Try with your left. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And two more. Perfect. Okay, now first with your feet hips width apart, left leg back. Make sure you've got good balance, both feet pointing forward, so you're not rotating, you're not twisting to your left, okay? Now right arm behind, so you're trying to reach for your left arm, your left elbow, and again, strong and active muscles in the upper back. So you're squeezing your shoulder blades, you're pulling shoulders back, okay? Inhale. Now see, exhale, just tiny inch forward, but you're actually trying to lift your chest instead of going down. You try to reach forward, lean forward. Inhale, slowly exhale. Again, head is high, look forward. So it's like reaching with your chest further than you actually can. Instead, just bending and making round back, round shoulders, okay? So you're keeping your chest high. Inhale and exhale, hopefully makes sense. And one more. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Okay, change your side. Now we've got right foot back. Check if you, even without thinking, making this correction, which is easier, but the correct one is when you've got your hips facing forward. Now left arm pushing for your right. Again, squeezing shoulder blades and trying to lean forward. Again, think about your chest. You try to reach forward with your chest, not your head. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And two more. Feel the stretch. Your legs as well as your chest and shoulders. Perfect. Just one more. Okay. Let's go back on your 4. And move to child pose. Again, optional if your toes stuck under, so you've got your hips higher. Or if you're fine, you've got enough flexibility in your lower back and your glutes, maybe hips really low, maybe almost sitting on your feet. But keeping higher works as well. And now try to move your arms forward. But if you're keeping your chest the same level, just work with your one arm straight. What you need to do in here, as you're moving arms forward, you're able to bring your chest lower. That's the way to work. The muscles contracting your back and nice stretch in the front. Again, where you're looking now, hopefully to the front, maybe looking to your hands, top of your mat, or just front of you. And again, if muscles really tight, instead holding the stretch, static way, you're just releasing by lifting your chest. Inhale, and as you exhale, try to pull down. Inhale, slowly exhale. Maybe one more. Perfect. And relax. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video for our posture correction, how to work with your muscles, because it's really important you know why you do this stretch and which muscles actually should work in terms of stretching, feeling the pulling sensation, but also to activate the other side. Everything works together. Okay, so I hope everything is clear, you know what you're doing, because you are not here, so I can't see and make a correction for you. That's why the whole explanation hopefully helping you to understand and be sure, even if I'm not face to face with you guys, you know what you're doing and you're doing right. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. If you just visit my channel for the first time and you like it, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I'm looking forward for all your comments, how you find the posture correction for yourself, or maybe you've got another idea for another video. So let me know. So stay safe, healthy, and tune with us. See you next week.